Welcome to Shramashakti Vidya Niketan English Medium School, Maldar online classes. I am Raut Manisha. I will teach you 3rd standard mathematics subject. In previous lecture, we have learned the number before, the number after. Correct? Today we will learn next topic of number 1 using symbols to show smaller and bigger. See, smaller means less than, denoted by symbol this. Bigger means greater than, denoted by symbol this. This topic see in book. See here, topic name is using symbols to show smaller and bigger. See first question, say which numbers is bigger and which number smaller. See table, there are some example are given. First number, smaller number, bigger number. See first example, 8, 2. Which is the smaller number? 8 and 2. Correct. 2 is the smaller number. Write down. Which is the bigger number? Correct. 8 is the bigger number. Write down. See the second example, 77, 59. Which is the smaller number? Correct. Say 59 is the smaller number. Write down. Which is the bigger number? 77 is the bigger number. Write down. See the next example, 39, 9. Which is the smaller number? 9 is smaller number. So, write down here 9. Then, which is the bigger number? 39 is the bigger number. Write down. See the next example, 14, 35. Which is the smaller number? 14 is the smaller number. So, write down 14. Then, which is the bigger number? 35 is the bigger number. So, write down. See the next example, 67, 32. Which is the smaller number? See the tens place. Here 3, here 2. Correct na? That's why 32 is the smaller number. Write down. And 67 is the bigger number. See the next, using the symbols. What is the shape? It is a ellipse. How many stars in ellipse? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 stars in ellipse. See second ellipse. How many stars? 1, 2. There are 2 stars. See 5. 5. Then symbol of bigger 2 is read as 5 is bigger than 2. See the second. There are 2 stars in ellipse. Second ellipse. There are 5 stars. Means 2 symbol of smaller 5 is read as 2 is smaller than 5. See the next example, 27 and 40. 27 symbol of smaller 40 is read as 27 is less than 40. See the next example, 91, 49. 91 is a symbol of greater, 49 is read as 91 is greater than 49. See next question, write the correct symbol in the box. First example, 10 symbol of greater 9 means 10 is greater than 9. See the second example, 50, 49. See 10 place, here 5, here 4. Means 50 is greater than 49. Then here see, here 3-digit number are given 500 and 499. Then you see 100 place. Which is the 100 place? 5 and here 4. Correct? Means 500 is greater than 499. See the next example. Here 9 and here 10. Here no tens place are given. That's why 9 is smaller than 10. See the next example. 5 and 3. Which number is smaller? 3 is smaller. Means 5 is greater than 3. See the next example. See here 3 and 5. Which is the bigger number? 5 is bigger number. That's why 3 is smaller than 5. See the next example. 49, 50. Correct? Which is the greater number? 50 is greater number. Means 49 is smaller than 50. Then see the next example. 23 and 25. Which is the greater number? 25 is the greater number. Means 23 is less than 25. Then 73 and 75. Which is the greater number? 75 is the greater number. Means 73 is less than 75. See the next. There are 3-digit number 499 and 500. See in 100 place here 4, here 5. Means 500 is greater than 499. Means 499 is smaller than 500. See here 500 and 300. 500 is greater than 300. See here 600 and 400. Here 100. See the 100 place. Here 6 and here 4. Which is the greater number? 6 is the greater number. That's why 600 is greater than 400. This topic see in digital board.
Using symbols to show smaller and bigger. See which number is bigger and which smaller. Number 8, 2. But you can easily make out that 2 is smaller and 8 is bigger. 76, 59. You're right, 59 is smaller and 77 is bigger. 39 and 9. 9 is smaller and 39 is bigger. 14, 35. 14 is smaller and 35 is bigger. 67, 32. 32 is smaller and 67 is bigger. Using the symbols. Now we've already understood the concept of bigger number and smaller number. We can actually represent them by using symbols. Let's see an example. Now we have numbers 5 and 2. You know that 5 is definitely bigger than 2, so you can write it as 5 symbol of figure or greater than 2. And we read it as 5 is bigger than 2. Now here's another example. We we have 2 and 5. Now you know that 2 is smaller than 5, so you write it like this. 2, symbol of smaller than 5. And you read it as 2 is smaller than 5. Now next is 27 and 40. You know that 27 is smaller than 40. So 27, a symbol of smaller than 40. We read it as 27 is less than 40. Next is 91 and 49. You can very well make out that 91 is greater than 49. So 91, a symbol of greater, then you write 49. Is read as 91 is greater than 49. Write the correct symbol in the box. Now let us try and solve some sums in order to make this concept even more clear. 10 box 9. Now 10 is greater than 9. So we put a symbol of greater like this. 50 box 49. 50 is greater than 49. So we put the symbol of greater or bigger towards 50 like this. 500 box 499. Now 500 is greater than 499. So we put the symbol of greater towards 500 in this manner. 9 box 10. 9 is smaller than 10. So we put the symbol of smaller or lesser towards 9. 49 box 50. 49 is lesser than 50. So we put the symbol of lesser facing towards 49 in this manner. 499 box 500. Again, 499 is lesser than 500. So we put the symbol of lesser towards 499. 5 box 3. 5 is bigger than 3. So we put the symbol of greater towards 5 as 5 is greater than 3. 23 box 25. Now here 23 is smaller than 25. So we put the symbol of lesser in this manner, showing that 23 is lesser than 25. 500 box 300. Now 500 is bigger than 300. So we put a symbol of greater facing 500, showing that 500 is greater than 300. 3 box 5. Now 3 is smaller than 5. So we will put a symbol of lesser facing 3, which will show that 3 is lesser than 5. 73 box 75. 73 is smaller than 75. So we put a symbol of smaller facing 73, showing 73 is lesser than 75. 600 box 400. 600 is bigger than 400. So we put a symbol of bigger or greater facing towards 600 and showing 600 is greater than 400.
I hope all students understood this topic. On next lecture, we will see next topic. Thank you.